Hey guys, George from SoundTraxx here. Today on our Onboard with SoundTraxx video series, we're going to talk about just setting the volume. You know, when we get our decoders and we put them in our models, they're already defaulted at 3/4 volume. And then each of the individual sound effects have their own volume control as well, so that you can adjust how that locomotive sounds to you. So we're going to show you just how easy it is to make those adjustments. So first thing we're going to do is CV128 is our master volume. That's the one that controls everything evenly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our control system, we're just going to program CV128. And right now I'm going to take it to about half power. So what you're going to do is you're going to hear as that prime mover sound drops just a little bit. And you can kind of hear how that got a little quieter. But also every individual sound effect has its own volume control as well. So to adjust these, again, we can do this on the fly using mainline programming. We can turn on our sound effect. In this case, I'm going to use the bell. And then we can take our CV, which in this case is 130, and we can adjust it up or down. So just for an effect, I'm going to adjust it to a value of 50, 50. You can hear how that bell instantly changed. But let's say if we want it a little louder, we can then take CV130 again, and we can make it a lot louder. And these volumes are adjustable. And every sound effect on the decoder has its own volume control, including all the way up to, in the case of the diesel, fireman ed features such as air conditioning units and even the sound of the toilet flush. Now, if your locomotive is without that particular sound effect, let's go back to the air conditioning unit for a minute, you can actually set the volume to 0 so that there you won't have to worry about your locomotive making a sound that it's not actually equipped with. We also have another feature built into our decoder, and this is an alternate volume mixer. And what this does, this allows you to set values for your volumes so that when you go between, let's say, a home and a club layout, you can have different volume settings. So if you're in the basement making too much noise, you can actually enable the alternate volume mixer. By default, it's actually off of the function mapping chart, but function 28 is open, so you can set it to that very easily. Once you set that CV to enable your alternate volume mixer, you push function 28 and your volume is going to cut about in a half. But you can make that adjustment for yourself by using CVs 2.289 through 2.320. And these are all referenced in our user's guide. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help any way we can. Also, there's a lot of good information on our website at SoundTraxx.com. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to do a subject on that.